Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to birdwatch the Pine Grosbeak in Heartopia. Catching Catching this bird is useful to complete your birdwatching collections or birdwatching diary like this. And the info card can be exchanged for rewards with Bailey J, or you can also sell them to NPC Albert if you want some extra coins. And to find these birds that has a pink color like this, it's so cute, just go to the forest, more precisely at the forest island, and it's found all times and in all weather at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. So you don't need to wait for a specific time or conditions. For the locations, it's located on here at the map, the forest island, this one. So just go to this area and then just start looking around the trees and use your camera scanner to birdwatch when you spot these birds, and take the footage successfully, and for the info card will be unlocked in your collections. And okay, that's it. Super simple and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.